In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Duolingo promo code 2023. So the first thing you need to do is go to any browsers that you have. Search for Duolingo promo code. Scroll it all the way down until you found zootors.com. Just tap that one. And as you can see here, there are a bunch of Duolingo promo code for us to choose. So I'm going to click this one for demonstration only. In here, what we need to do now is go to Duolingo website. Just tap that one. And as you can see here, you have an offer for start my 2 weeks trial. So just go ahead and create your profile. Log into this website. And once you're done, you can now start your free trial. And that's it. That's how to find Duolingo promo code. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.